Ninth question, the weight of 72 books is 49 kilogram. Okay, so weight of the 72 books is for 9 kilogram, 72 books. So what is the weight of the 40 books? Okay, what is the weight of the 40 books? Using the unitary. Unitary means, so you find it first one book. Unit means one. Okay, so one book equal to, just to find out, we know weight of the 72 books. We already did in a one word, right? By using the same method, 72 books for 9 kg for one book rate. So 72 into 1 sir. So this 72 multiplication moving this side, division. So 9 by 72 kg for one book. Okay, for one book weight is 9 by 72 kg. No need to cancel at all. Straight as it. Okay. Then weight of the 40 book equal to, I don't know. So 5 chocolates for 5 rupees 25. They say 40 books into how many weight they given. Okay. So if I cancel, I can cancel. So in 9 table 72 for how many times cancel? In 9 8s are 72, right? So I can write 9 1s are 9, 72 for 8s are. So then I am having 8 balance. So in the 8 table 40 for how many times? 5 times. So how many kg? So 40 books having 5 kg. So weight of the 40 book is 5 kg. Okay. Then what they given? 10th sum. Tamarai pays rupees 7,500 as rent for 3 months. So rent for 3 month rent is 7,500. They are asking unitary method. So for 1 month rent is what? First to find out that. Then 1 year they are asking. 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, they mention 3 month. So pays. So rent paid by Tamarai. Okay, rent paid by Tamarai for 3 month equal to rupees 7,500. Rent paid in 1 month. 1 month means this 3 is moving that place because 3 ones are. So 1 month. 3 is moving that place. So 1 month rent is 7,500 division of 3. I can divide, right? So I can divide in 3 tables. 6 for 2 times, 15 for 5 times. The double zero you can carry over. So how much you are giving for a month? 1 month rent is 2,500. The rent paid in 1 year. 1 year paid is what? 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to 12 months. So I know 1 month rent alone. So I can multiply 12 months into 2,500. So how much you paid? Okay, 2,500 into 12. 12 into 0, 0, sorry, 2 into 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 2 2s are 4, plus 1, 5. Then 1 into this, anything, everything should be normal only. So 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10. So how much it will become? So the rent paid in 1 year is how much? 30,000 rupees for 1 year. We know 1 year means 12 months. I know 1 month rent back only. So what is the total rent for 12 months? 1 year they are asking. Therefore 1 year rent paid is 30,000. Okay. Therefore 1 year rent paid is 30,000. Okay. Then what they are asking? 11th, I think 11th. If 30 men can reap a field. Okay, reap means என்ன சொல்றது, அறுவடை பண்ற மாதிரி field. Okay, in 15 days, then in how many days can 20 men reap the same field? Okay, so 30 means for 15 days. So 20 means for how many days take to reap that field? That's 20 days. By using the unitary means you find out 1 day, 1 month, like that, 1 book, like that. Okay, so unitary means you find out once, then multiply that term. So 30 men can reap a field in 15 days. So for 1 month, so in this 30 is how much? 30 into 1 sir. So if 1 means that 30 is moving this place, 15 by 30. 15 by 30, 1 time 2. So how many days? So one man one man take 1/2 day. Okay, means half day. 1/2 day is taking for complete his work. Okay, one man can reap a field for half day. Okay, for 20 man can reap the field how many days? So 20 into 1/2 days. 2 day. So I can cancel this is for 10 days. So 20 man can take 10 days to complete the work. Okay, therefore 20 men can reap a field in how many days? Obviously 10 days. It's very easy, right? Then Valli purchased 10 pens for 180 rupees. Kamala buys 8 pens for 96 rupees. Okay, this is 10 pen for 180 rupees, 8 pens for 96 rupees. Can say who bought the pen cheaper. So it's same unitary. So converted into one pen like this. So they mention a purchase by. So I'm using by. So Valli purchased 10 pen for 180. So 1 pen for this 10 going this place. Okay. So 0 cancel. One pen rate is what? Rupees 18. So in this place Kamala buy 8 pen for rupees 96. So 96 in 8 table how many time? I think 8 12s are. So 12 rupees. Which one is cheaper? Obviously Kamala. So therefore 18 is greater than 12. Therefore Kamala brought the pen cheaper. Kamala only bought the pen cheaper, right? That's only they say. Then 13th question, the motorbike required 2 liters of petrol. So I already told, right, like this sum alone, the same method by using in this sum. So 2 liters of petrol to cover 100 kilometers. How many liters of petrol will be required to cover 250 kilometer? They are asking 250 kilometers. So the distance is a 250 kilometer. So how much petrol we need to cover that? So we have to find out 1 kilometer, then multiply, because they are asking unitary method. Okay, so unitary. So distance covered 100 kilometer, quality of petrol equal to 2 liters. So 100 kilometer for 2 liters I can write. So 1 kilometer petrol required, how much distance? So I am cancelling this into table one time. So this 5 0. So 1/50 liters. Okay, for 1 kilometer how many liters they used? 1/50 liters. So 250 kilometer means you find out 1 kilometer, right? Multiply this 2 in this place, liters. So 0 cancel. 5 ones are 25 for 5. So how many liters we need? 5 liters is enough for this. Okay, so what they mention, therefore 5 liters 5 liter of petrol will be required to cover 250 kilometer. Okay, that's it, ma.